Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I am MD Saidur Rahman from Manchester, England. Previously, I have discussed about various driving process regarding roundabout, how to turn right, and crossroad. Today, I will discuss another important thing which is called parallel parking. Parallel parking is very important during your day-to-day driving and also in your driving practical test. So let's enjoy. Now let's start about the parallel parking. This is your car and this is another car. You need to park your car as a parallel parking by creating the on car length from the car in front of you. If this is a road and this is a car, so first of all, for doing the parallel parking, you need to turn your indicator right. And after turning your indicator right, first of all, you need to look around about MSPSL routine. Then you need to gently go parallelly by the side of this car. So after going on that side by the side of the other car, first of all you need to change your gear from the forward to the backward, and you need to turn your steering wheel to the left hand side like this. If this is compared with a clock, then you can keep your steering wheel point at 5 o'clock. So after that, you need to go gently backward, and if your steering wheel will be like this, then your car will go backward on that position. After reaching your car on that position, so in that case, you will look your left mirror that the car and your car will be like V shape. That means if you look around in your left mirror, that the position of the car and your car will be looks like V shape. When it will be happened, you need to turn your steering wheel to full right. And you need to go gently backward to that side. After going backward, when your car will be at the straight position comparing to the front vehicle, look like this. In this case, your car will be with the straight position comparing with the car and with the front vehicle. So you need to turn your steering wheel straight, and you need to stop at that point, and at the same time you also need to measure the distance from the front car with your car. If the distance will be longer than on car length, then you need to go forward little bit to make the distance on car length. When the distance between your car and the front car will be on car length, then you will stop and your parallel parking will be finished. Now I will discuss about a common mistake that are generally occurred during the practical test. Sometimes the examiner will ask you to make a parallel parking with the front car by creating on car lane, or sometimes they may ask you between on car lane or sometimes they may ask you within on car length. And you must be keep in your mind that all the languages are same. That means that you must keep the distance minimum on car length. Sometimes mistakenly learner park parallelly at that point by creating more on car length distance. At that point they park. This is wrong, because if you will park more than on car length, you will fail in your practical test. Sometimes the examiner may ask you that whether you finish or not. If you say them that you finish, then you will fail. So in that case, you need to go gently to forward by creating minimum on car length with the front car. That is the correct way. Thank you for watching. I hope you have learned and understand some important thing in today's video. If you will like this video, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.